Uy kabayan, alam mo bang mas malaki ang sahod at mas madaling makahanap ng trabaho kung marunong kang mag-Chinese. Given na marunong tayo ng English, pero panalo pa rin kung marunong ka mag-Mandarin. Now, have you heard Chinese people say, "May sure"? It sounds chill, right? But it's deeper than that. Minsan, sarcastic pa nga. My friend from Tianjin explained, if someone says, "May sure ba?" It's not always concerned. Minsan, shady. Let's break it down. It's okay or no worries. Someone bumps into you. 他们说对不起. You reply, 没事没事. It's okay, no problem. Tagalog, walang anuman, okay lang. I'm fine, I'm good. Friend ask, 你还好吗? You can say, 我没事，谢谢你. Or 没事，谢谢你. Sarcastic version, 你没事吧? This depends on the tone or context. My Tianjin friend said, with attitude, it means, are you okay? Okay ka lang? Pero parang, anong problema mo? May sure ba? Okay ka lang? Pero, may inis. Final tip. May sure, polite and friendly. Ni may sure ba? Could be caring or savage. Hate China? That's fine. But you know what's smarter? Let's turn that hate into income. Learn their language. Gamitin mo para umasenso. Book my Mandarin class, link in the comment section. 学会了吗？明天见。